How to clean flat TV screen. Method number 1. Cleaning with the microfiber cloth. Turn the TV off. Find a microfiber cloth. Wipe the screen. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe off any dirt or grime that's visible. Do not use paper towels, toilet paper, or old shirts as your cleaning cloth. These materials are more abrasive than microfiber cloth and may scratch the screen and leave lint residue. Examine the screen. Clean the frame of the screen. Method number 2. Washing with a vinegar and water solution. Turn the TV off. Make a solution of equal parts vinegar and water. Dab a microfiber cloth in the vinegar solution and gently wipe the screen. Use a second microfiber cloth to wipe the screen dry. Wash the frame of the screen. Method number 3. Removing scratches from flat screen TVs. Check your warranty. Use a scratch repair kit. Use petroleum jelly. Coat a cotton ball in petroleum jelly and dab it over the scratch. Use lacquer. Buy clear lacquer and spray a small amount directly over the scratches. Allow it to dry.